This is just a quick video showing how to set up a prompt that will enforce people to press any key, but not any key. So to sort of ensure that somebody is actually there when they call you, so it's not like a robocaller or something. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually set up everything to go to a collect input menu, because that's where we're really going to get a little bit more control. So we're not going to use the main greeting. And we're going to short circuit the main prompt to just be 0 seconds. Well, actually, we don't need this error handler. And we're not going to prompt more than 0 times, and so we're going to just essentially have this voice menu jump directly to key press 1. In this case, precast 1 is going to play our little fun message here.
Press any key and we'll route your call. If you don't press a key, well, that sucks for you then. You have 10 seconds to comply.
So, have a little fun with that. So press, they have up to 1 key press. If we get any key press, we'll immediately process it as success, giving them 10 seconds here. We're not doing speech, so we're not going to turn any of that on. We're going to ignore all those options. We don't need to pass control to a Lambda function, and we're not sending it to a remote server. And after the receiving input is actually not going to process, because that's only for when we send data to Lambda or webhook. We will record key presses. This way, for looking back, we can see what has happened. And we're not going to immediately send to server or Lambda because, well, we're not using Lambda or server. But the option here that's of interest is really if the user fails to enter any input. So if they do enter input, then we're going to process key press 2. If they don't enter input, then we're going to process key press 3. Yeah, and we're going to set these, consequently, also just by hitting this, we're going to set these other 3 things. So for the sake of this, I'm actually going to hang up in all cases, but we'll play a different message depending on whether or not you hit 2 for success or 3, you just didn't do anything. So let's see here. So I'll go ahead and place the call. In the first case, I'll do speakerphone off screen. Unfortunately, this is off screen.
Press any key and we'll route your call. If you don't press a key, well, that sucks for you then. You have 10 seconds to comply.
We'll start by pressing 4, and then we should immediately see the...
yeah, I'm still hanging up on you.
Yeah,
that was funny, right?
There. Yay. So she still hangs up, but we got to success. We'll do it again. Let's see if I can catch it in time. I'll make this 5 seconds.
If you don't press a key, well,
No,
that sucks for you then.
We're already too late.
You have 10 seconds to comply.
So we actually only have 10 seconds to comply. So we're going to not comply this time. And in not complying, we'll get the dude not cool.
Dude not cool.
Alright. And that's it. So that's all we need now to set up basically a wildcard press any key. Obviously, a lot of options you kind of scroll past, and really only 2 options that you need to set. So hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know. Bye.